Lord, I pray that you will take these devotions and renew my heart. Devotion 15. After Ruth came home with her abundant supply from Boaz, Naomi marveled over how kind someone had been to her. But when she asked who had done it, and Ruth answered, "A man named Boaz," Naomi was stunned in the best kind of way. Here was her response to Ruth. Ruth 2:20. And Naomi said unto her daughter-in-law, "Blessed be he of the Lord, who hath not left off his kindness to the living and to the dead." And Naomi said unto her, "The man is near of kin unto us, one of our next kinsmen." Naomi blessed the Lord. Ruth must have been utterly bewildered by her seemingly over-the-top reaction until Naomi explained what was going on. She told Ruth that Boaz was a near kinsman, next of kin, a potential kinsman redeemer. In other words, the very thing she was absolutely certain that God could not provide, God did provide. Do be careful never to sell God short. People often wander from His will for their lives, thinking that He'll not be able to meet their needs. But God had Ruth's need provided before she ever left Moab, and He is just as able to meet our needs before we even get out of bed. Philippians 4:10 through 13. But I rejoiced in the Lord greatly, that now at the last your care of me hath flourished again, wherein you were also careful, but ye lacked opportunity. Not that I speak in respect of want, for I have learned, in whatsoever state I am in, therewith to be content. I know both how to be abased, and I know how to abound. Everywhere and in all things I am instructed both to be full and to be hungry, both to abound and to suffer need. I can do all things through Christ, which strengtheneth me. Until our paths cross again, have a blessed day.